I'm just testing this track. I'm in the process of wiring the shuttle, but I just wanted to check that the track was working. And there, that Fowler 4F it's moving along there nice and slowly. Get a little bit of an edge on that track there that I've got to fix. This is the AR1 unit, which will control the shuttle. That works perfectly and will look great as the main line is operating. This would be like a branch line, or I could put the SPT unit on there. But this, as you can see, is quite effective. So originally when I had first done this, I'd cut the track and it said put a diode in. Well, I didn't have the suitable diode, so I just put a piece of wire, and that's a optic. When the shuttle service works, the local will come across, it will cover the sensor and the power will go off. It will wait until the timer's been set, and then it will go off again, back to the other end. The one thing, another thing I've learnt from Tom Houston is these adapters, they're not always what they seem to be. You know, it may say 12 volts, but it could be 16. So you need to check them as well as wall plugs so that you don't burn something out. And that was a good lesson to learn from Tom today. So you see that stopped here because there's a gap in the track from the original attempt. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, remember to give me the big thumbs up and come back to Partickhill Station. Bye for now.